my name is Peter Simpson-Young and welcome to Coviu Academy. This video is going to provide a general overview of how to get started. So the first step is to choose a plan that works for you and your practice and to start a free trial. So there are 3 plans within Coviu. The starter plan has you the basic features required for telehealth, including secure video calling, file sharing and in-call payments. The professional plan provides a bunch of other features to help integrate telehealth into your workflow, including the ability to do booking and scheduling and integrations with practice management software. A couple of weeks ago, we released an exciting new clinic plan that has a waiting area to allow larger practices to manage who's in the waiting area, as well as do things like have custom intake forms and receive SMS notifications for when clients arrive. Now, once you're set up, then you just invite your clients. So you can send them a link. They don't need to download anything or create an account. They just click the link to join you in your room. Now, Coviu runs on any device, whether it be a computer, tablet or smartphone, and we run in any browser. Our preferred browser is Chrome, but we work equally well in Safari, Firefox or Internet Explorer. So then we have a whole bunch of features in the professional clinic plan to help you guys manage your appointments. So I mentioned we have online bookings and scheduling, as well as those PMS integrations with Halixy, Clinico and Nucal. I'll now show you how to get some support and then we'll go into a quick demo.